Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm using OPIs to Infinity and Blue Yarn in combination with LA Colors Aqua Crystals for my nails. And I'm just going to begin painting my left hand, and I'm doing my left hand first because I'm left-handed, so it's my most difficult hand and I just want to go ahead and get it done first. Yeah, so I'm just painting each of my nails, and you'll see me clean up a little as I go, but I mostly wait until my nails are fully dry to clean my cuticle area. Guys, what are some of your favorite colors and brands to use? I'm sure I have more LA color polishes than anything. The price is right and they just work. Yeah, that cuticle area looks a mess, but we'll get it together. I'm also applying 2 coats to my nails, and if you're interested in growing out your nails, I'll link my pre-polish routine so you can check that out. And that is a routine that I swear by. It's the routine that I use each and every time I start my painting process. And right here, I'm cleaning it up just a little bit, not much. And this is an old makeup brush that I no longer use. Okay, so I've already done this hand off camera and I topped it with that aqua crystals, and now we're going to do our left hand. I'm just painting right over that blue, and I ended up using 2 or 3 coats of this polish as well to make that glitter a little darker. Y'all, all my nail tutorials are super simple. I basically just use a polish and a glitter polish. That's pretty much it. I'm going to insert pictures so you can see what it looked like when I was done. And after I finished painting, I went in with this glosser and my Insta dry top coat. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and hit that red button. And let me know what color you would like to see me do next. Until next time, bye.
All I wanted was some cash. All I wanna do is ball. Oh, yeah. Never put me in the game. Oh, yeah. They know why I buy it all. Leave no love for the rest. Oh, no. Playing bitches like the chess. Yeah. Never boo, never stress.